Picture this, beautiful. I spent an entire week watching beauty secrets videos from experts, over 10 hours of content. Some tips were life-changing. Others, total flops. But after filtering through all of them, I found the ones that actually work. Today I am sharing the best tips with you so you don't have to do the research yourself. Ready? Let us glow, beautiful. 5 tips I found. Tip 1. Drink water first, not coffee. Every expert said the same thing. Start your day with water, not coffee. Your skin is dehydrated after 8 hours of sleep. Coffee makes it worse. Water wakes up your digestion and flushes toxins that cause dull skin and breakouts. Drink 1 full glass before anything else. Tip 2. Always moisturize on damp skin. This one tip changes everything. Moisturizer locks in water. When you apply it on damp skin, you trap that hydration inside. Your skin stays plumper, softer, and more dewy throughout the day. Pat your skin gently with a towel, leaving it slightly damp, then apply your moisturizer right away. Tip 3. Your neck and hands need sunscreen too. Most women forget this. Your neck and hands show age faster than your face. Apply sunscreen down your neck and on the back of your hands every single morning. This prevents dark spots and wrinkles before they start. Tip 4. Brush your skin before showering. Dry brushing removes dead skin cells and boosts circulation. It makes your skin incredibly soft and helps with lymphatic drainage. Do this before every shower. Your skin will glow. Tip 5. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. Cotton absorbs your skincare and creates friction that causes wrinkles. Silk is gentle on your skin and hair. It keeps your moisturizer on your face and prevents sleep lines. Your hair also stays smooth and frizz-free. Pro tip. The best beauty secret I learned? Consistency over perfection. You do not need an elaborate routine. A simple, consistent routine with clean, gentle products will give you better results. Start with 1 tip today. Add another next week. Your glow will come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty secrets and honest tips, beautiful. And if you haven't watched my video on Hailey Bieber's skincare secrets, you absolutely have to check that out next. I broke down her glazed donut routine and the one product she cannot live without. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. I will see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.